In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cloudflare with subdomain. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to properly set up Cloudflare in conjunction with a subdomain that you created. So to create a new subdomain, first, you need to add the subdomain content at your host. So go over to your host's cPanel, for example, and in there you will be able to access the domains section where you can properly create and set up the subdomain. So if you haven't already, go over to your host and set it up there beforehand. So you will be able to include your subdomain, confirm all of the details, and get this process done. Because this is going to differ for every single host, I won't be able to give you specific instructions on how to do this, but assuming that you have already set up your subdomain, all that you have to do now is switch over to Cloudflare, and in there, when you log into your account and you go over to your sites, you will find the option to add a new website, and you can include the subdomain in there. So include the subdomain that you created on your host, and now it is going to appear under Cloudflare. At this point, it is basically good to go. However, you might need to take some additional steps to set up the name servers. So after you add the site and you choose any of the available plans, including the free one, you will be good to go. But if you want to review the DNS records, Cloudflare will automatically import as much of your current configuration as possible and indicate if any issue is encountered. It will also provide you with the option to add more records at this point. So in there, you will be able to make sure that the A record for your root domain is added and pointing to your account's IP, and you will also be able to set up the custom name servers. So if needed, a pair of custom name servers will be generated for your domains, and all that you have to do is copy the values and change the name servers at your domain's DNS zones. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cloudflare with subdomain. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.